Hi, this is Joe Jackson with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Today I'm on board a certified pre-enjoyed vessel. This is an Aquila 44-foot motor yacht, 21.5-foot beam on a 44-foot platform. It gives you a lot of space. So I'm up on the bow, all non-skid area here. Storage on each side. You got water tanks down below. You got plenty of storage for water toys, all your fenders, lines. You can store everything. Nice stairs to walk up to the bow. Handrail. It's got isinglass across the front here that can block it all off. This is a great yacht for traveling, for chartering. You can do a little bit of everything with this boat. Now I'm up on the bridge of the 44 Aquila. You can see very spacious. You got an L-shaped seat there, another starboard side seat. You got a big U-shape here with a table. Back here on the very back here, this is pretty awesome. Got a grill, sink. It's got a refrigerator and storage under here as well. Now I'm down in the aft cockpit of the 44 Aquila. You can see another U-shaped seat with a table. You got your davit. You got two different swim platforms on each side. Makes it easy getting the tender on and off if you elect to get one of those. Nice entranceway here. Easy access to the cleats. Engine access here on each side, as well as generator access as well in the back center. This is just a really easy boat to get around on for all ages. Real wide, you got 2.5-foot wide sides on each side to walk around. Real high rails. Nice stainless steel cabin entrance door. You got your two bar stools here. You got your shore power entrance. There's storage under all of this seating. This table will drop down as well, but just tons of storage, and we're gonna get more into that once we get inside the cabin. Now I'm in the galley, just inside the aft deck here. You can see you got your nice sink, lots of storage in this boat. Dual burner stove, fridge, freezer. Over here you have a stereo system, generator to crank your generator. Your battery switches are all right here, easy to get to. Here, it's U-shaped seat. This will drop. It has cushions to fill in to make this another bed. So if you got small kids, this would be your 4th stateroom in a 44-foot boat. Pop-up TV on this side, plenty of natural light with the vents that open. Again, a secondary fridge here for drinks, but you can just see just how much room. If it's a rainy, nasty day and you're stuck inside, you're not on top of each other. You got plenty of room. So we're leaving the salon and going up into the master. It's a easy 2-step down process. You got a full beam master here. You got fans, air heat. You got natural lighting overhead, but a nice wide queen berth here. On this side, there's tons of storage. I've got washer, dryer. You could have it as a little office space, but plenty of room for laundry and extra stuff over there. Full stand-up mirror there. Then we got a full stand-up shower, nice head, sink, and lots more storage with natural lighting as well. Right outside, you've got good, ample storage as well. So now I'm down on the 2nd or 3rd stateroom. They're identical. One's on port, one's on starboard. Now I'm in the starboard side here. Got a nice double berth here, plenty of lighting, natural lighting, big windows, lots of side storage and cabinet space here, as well as hanging locker here and more storage below. Separate head compartment, so you have a sink, head, and a nice stand-up shower. So you have in a 44-foot boat 3 heads, 3 staterooms, but 3 showers separate. So not wet heads. So this is a really nice setup again for traveling or for chartering. Again, thank you very much for joining me on today's 2025 Aquila 44. I'm Joe Jackson with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. I really appreciate it. You can always contact us at www.marinemax.com or 910-256-8100. Thank you very much.